So what is our motto here today? To understand string builder introduction. So string builder is another way of objects are mutable. Inside the string builder, objects are mutable. Inside the string, objects are immutable. So where does this string class comes from? Java.lang. String builder comes from Java.lang. Same. Which allows the modification. String builder allows the modification, whereas string will not allow the modification. It will generate wholly a new string itself. Wholly a new string itself. Now I want to add a text modification. I will go for string builder. Okay, what happens? String builder will reduce number of string objects. Otherwise, in a string, if you only do change and all, every time you append, you need to create a new object, which is wrong. So methods such as substring, index of, caret are identical to that of string class. Okay. Here, extra methods what are available? Append is there, insert is there, delete is there, reverse is there, everything is available here. Okay. And sequence of characters must be continuous. It may have space also. Clear, right? Clear? Like a normal all other classes, string builder is also used with instantiated with a new keyword. Without instantiation, string builder will not work, will not append the data. Okay. You may create string builder with the predefined capacity. You can see here new string builder of 100. New string builder of 100. Or you can see now once again, if I do that, means what? If I give here some text, let us consider. If I give means in constructor it is there. In constructor it is there already. Are you clear? So welcome hello came. Welcome here. In the constructor, whenever you pass hello, whatever the value is there, to that only I am appending. To that only. Whenever I am passing a new word, it is appending to the main. So from this, what happened? It reduces the creation of string objects. So let us consider what is our motto. Our motto is to read 5 names from the console. Read 5 names from the console. So int I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. What is our motto? To read, enter So in order to do that, what we need to read, right? We need to use scanner sc is equal to new scanner of system.in, right? System.in. So as we need to, so from where we got scanner utility, from the utility it came. Okay, you need to remember. So now what we need to do, every time this is there, we need to append that to whom? To the existing one. So now rather than this one, what I'll say, I'll create a new string builder. Let the old string builder be as it is, sb1. So the existing one, I need to keep on add, right? Sc dot next. Next line. Clear? So what is sc dot next line? It means you need to read the data. Okay. I'll run the application. So what we are going to do? It is saying person 0 name. Actually, it starts with 0. Person 1 name. So once it is done, we would have printed, so that would have came. So we have not printing. That's another problem. So what we will do? It need to be I plus 1, no? First person name, like that it should ask. So what we are doing, first person name, 01 name, right? 01 name. What is 01 name? Some name. Okay. So we printed SB, S1, SB. We didn't print SB1. No, we are appending to SB1 actually, right? So we print SB1 so that you can understand very well again. So now how we are doing? What we are doing? Person 1 name. What happened? Welcome Kohli, Virat, Ganguly, Sachin, Ravi. All in one name it came. In one string it came. So whatever the values you append, it came in one string, right? So did you understand now what we have done? Clear? Are you clear now? So like this you can maintain. Like this you can maintain the single object rather than having a multiple object. What happened? K, comma F, comma Y, comma D, comma. Right? Are you clear? Is there any doubts now? Shalini also, you any doubts? Yeah, fine.